below. Welcome to In 180 Seconds. Today we shall look at what is a dividend, and also, the important dates that one should be aware of in order to be eligible to get dividend. Dividends are money that is distributed from the company's profits to each of its shareholder. It is completely the choice of the company to give dividends. They could declare dividends every year or twice a year or sometime not declare for a couple of years. The profit earned by a company could either be reinvested in the company for its growth or distributed back to its investors. Companies with high growth and plans for expansion don't tend to give dividends. Even if they do give, it will be very less. But those companies that gives dividends tend to be favorite ones for certain people, as it reinforces trust on company's business. However, one needs to be aware of 4 important dates with respect to dividends. Understanding these dates is crucial in making decisions of when to buy or sell the stock. We shall first go over the definitions and finally discuss an example. First, dividend declaration date. This is the date when the company announces the dividend. On this same day, the company mentions about the size of the dividend, the number of shareholders receiving the dividend, the payment date of the dividend, etc. Second, dividend record date. This is the date by when the company register should have all the information of the shareholders owning the stock, to whom the dividend distribution could be confirmed. This date is confirmed by the company on the dividend declaration date. Do not get confused this with the ex-dividend date, which is fixed by the stock exchange. The ex-dividend date is the first date after which purchasing the stock does not entail to receive the dividend. This date is up to 3 days prior to the record date. Finally, the payment date is the day when you will receive the dividend payment in your account. So let's look at a quick example to understand these better. A company called ABC Corporation declares dividend on September 10th. They declare a dividend of ₹10 for each share of the company that is currently trading at ₹100. So if you hold 1,000 shares of the company, you would receive ₹10,000 as dividend. The record date for the dividend is set as September 25th. So by September 25th, whichever names are present on the company shareholders register, those will be given the dividend. So even if you did not hold the shares on September 10th, on the date when the dividend was declared, you could very well accumulate them by the ex-dividend date, September 23rd. So that the shares will be allocated to your demat account by 25th. If you buy the company shares on 23rd or 24th, you will not be eligible for the dividend. Hope this is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.